Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol VIVE. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, each one represents 30 minutes. So this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually just the past 2 days broken down into 30-minute time slices, both Monday and then today, Tuesday. And that, in my opinion, makes the chart the easiest to see and just makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance, kind of the most efficient to get in a place. The main thing going on here, and I realize this is not some sort of revolutionary discovery, but yes, this one has clearly been getting punished and punished and punished ever since the price gapped up here. So kind of the main question now becomes, okay, well, how do you continue to measure this punishment, or if maybe this punishment is potentially coming to an end? And that's where this trend line here comes into play. So that actually changes to red for resistance, because that's what this is, a resistance trend line here. So again, let me reiterate, I realize it's nothing revolutionary on my part to say, yeah, this thing's been getting beat up pretty good. But how can you measure when the quote unquote getting beat up may be looking to end? And that's how that trend line comes into play, and why going into Wednesday things are pretty interesting, because yes, the price once again got beat up today, but then it started to go sideways and actually worked its way upwards here a little bit, and upon doing so is sitting right here at this trend line. Now there's still plenty of work that needs to be done, but the point here being is it at least makes logical sense to question that this may be some sort of bottom. Case in point, let's just say the price was still just basically going straight down right now. You would be totally justified to say, what are you talking about? Why are you saying this could potentially be some sort of bottom? The price is literally still going straight down. And you would be right, but in this situation, that's not the case. Like I said, the price has gone sideways, and then the price has even gone up there a little bit. And now it's just a question of, can the price actually break through that resistance trend line going forward? If it can, then the next key overarching level of resistance, keep an eye on, is going to be that purple line up there, the 50-period moving average, and that's currently up around the 12-cent mark. But I don't want to get too far ahead of myself, because as of right now, one hurdle at a time, and that first key hurdle is going to be, again, that resistance trend line there in the near term. Now, if the price just rolls right back over and plunges to the downside, at that point, obviously the beating up is not over yet, so that's a possibility too. My point is, it at least makes logical sense now to question if there could be some sort of bounce and breakout to the upside here. So we'll see what happens with it, but yeah, keep a close eye on that trend line, and let's see if today's more so later in the day from Tuesday's price action is a leading indicator of some sort of breakout that's yet to come. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up, as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.